Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini Air Sign. This is January mid-month reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini Air Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Some of you are dealing with Taurus. It's sign. Under the deck, 8 of Swords, the Tower, 10 of Pentacles, 9 of Cups and Death. I think right now or in future you will go through some transformation and you have to leave your past aside for new opportunities in your life. Don't hold your past. And 9 of Cups and 10 of Pentacles. There is wish fulfillment for you, especially in finances. There will be money stability. Gemini, 10 of Pentacles. Yeah, stability is coming in money. And the Tower with 8 of Swords. Something is disturbing you a lot emotionally. You are feeling stuck and maybe right now you are in a very sad situation. Something has shifted before your eyes. Maybe you have to start again from zero here. You have opportunities by practicing patience and be open to receive. Yeah, it is a temporary and it is the process of life, Gemini. So let's see your reading recent past. Hierophant, 10 of Swords and Page of Swords. In recent past, definitely you are going through a very tough situation. Maybe emotionally you are tired in recent past. Maybe stability is missing in your life. Maybe financially, maybe relationship wise, there was no stability. That's why you are feeling like this. And Page of Swords. Some spying is going, someone is watching you. Then present 4 of Wands, 2 of Swords and 4 of Swords. So you want to heal from this pain. So right now you are taking rest or you want to heal from that pain. So you are just cutting off all the communications and you are just taking care of yourself and you are healing. But you are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision here. And 4 of Wands. I think stability is coming. Maybe right now you don't see it is coming, but it is coming. Then future, Queen of Cups, Knight of Swords and 5 of Pentacles. So in future, you have to be careful with your money. Maybe for some, there will be money loss. And for some, there will be some cold shouldering energy. Someone is treating you as an option, Gemini. And someone is rushing to communicate with you. You will receive communication. And at the same time, you will focus on your goal in future. And no one and nothing can stop you. And there will be tremendous growth in your career at the same time in your whole life. And Queen of Cups, you are a very emotional person and you always share your love to people around you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Gemini, let's see your person's current feelings and their intentions. 8 of Pentacles with Hierophant and Ace of Wands. I think this person really want to work on this relationship. They want to invest on this relationship. They're thinking about stability and they have passion and they're wishing for this connection. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Your intentions. Some of you are dealing with Scorpio. Seven of Pentacles, High Priestess, Ten of Wands and Queen of Wands. I think right now your person is feeling overburdened here. And they are following their intuition and trusting their intuition. There is some waiting game is going here, Gemini. Or your person is planning something big here. So the current feelings, Three of Cups, the Empress and Six of Swords. Maybe the woman in this connection could be pregnant. So for some third party involved here, they want to fix things with you because I am seeing some argument or big fighting here because their intentions, King of Pentacles, Death and Five of Wands. Lot of drama is going. Maybe for some it is one type of ending between you and your person. But now your person thinking about stability here. So let's clarify Death card. Yeah, they want second chance. Some of you are dealing with Libra. I think now they realize you're both because Death is clarified by Justice, Ace of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. Now they're realizing you're both. Now they want second chance. They're ready to offer long term. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Maybe they're waiting for right time or right turn to approach you. Yeah, they want to leave behind everything that has happened between you and your person, like disputes. They want a fresh new start with you, and your person also going through some healing. Yeah, they're missing you. They're waiting for their time. They're thinking about you a lot. Yeah, there are some issues involved here because Five of Wands, lot of drama is going. Ten of Wands and Chariot. Some of you are dealing with Cancer. Definitely you are also feeling like overburdened. Maybe you only the person always taking care of this relationship. So you are trying to move forward in your life. Maybe you know in your journey there will be some bumps, but you will overcome and you will come out of the journey as a stronger person. Yeah, some trust issues involved here, Seven of Swords, but you will take your power back and you will work on yourself, Gemini. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Now they are coming to offer equal give and take, but you are the decision maker here. Five of Swords, some backstabbing energy. But they're coming back with an apology. They want new beginnings. But some of you are entering into a new journey, going with the flow and living in the present moment. The Fool energy. But they're coming back with a lot of passion. And for some, you have options also, Gemini. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I have regrets, family issues and holding back. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Gemini. Your commitment is being tested first quarter moon. For some it is a testing time for you, but be honest and do your work. Everything will be fine. And the energy is gained. And under the deck, so the energy is gaining momentum. So definitely there will be some momentum from your person side and a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. Some of you are dealing with Libra. So for some definitely there will be a new start. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.